So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we are still on organization, and today we'll consider more on enzymes and digestion. So ensure you stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video we'll have a biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this topic. Also check out our previous video on enzymes and digestion if you've not seen the video yet, as that will help you to understand and flow with the lesson today. So guys, I'll start by reminding you that the digestion of food is catalyzed by enzymes, and we have lots of these enzymes in our digestive system. These enzymes are produced by cells in glands and in the lining of the gut. So just like we know already from our previous lesson, different enzymes catalyze the breakdown of different food molecules. So we'll use this diagram to study the parts of the digestive system as well as the enzymes they produce or secrete. So guys, let's start with the salivary gland over here. So this gland produces the amylase, which is present in the saliva. We have the liver over here, which produces the bile. And let us not forget that the bile is responsible for neutralizing the stomach acid, and then also it emulsifies fats. And we have the stomach over here, which produces the protease enzyme pepsin. The stomach also produces the hydrochloric acid, which serves for two reasons. Number one is to kill bacteria, and then the acidic environment also makes it possible for the pepsin to also act well. So we have this structure here called the gallbladder. The gallbladder actually stores the bile that is produced by the liver. So it stores and secretes this bile when needed. Okay, so here we have the pancreas. The pancreas actually has enzymes for proteins, for carbohydrates, and for lipids. So over here we will have proteases, you'll have amylase, you also have lipase. So these enzymes will be released into the small intestine. So over here we have the small intestine too, that also has both the lipase enzymes, the protease enzymes, and the amylase too. So these enzymes will complete the digestion, and then absorption of food also takes place here. So as the food passes to the large intestine, water is absorbed from the food in the large intestine, and then the feces is now stored in the rectum, and then when it's time, it gets ejected. So guys, here is the biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out on your own. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.